welcome to my new blog post 21. And in this blog post, I'm going to discuss about tailoring of management processes. So let's start. So you are a project manager and you need to shape your own processes for a certain project. So why would you need to do that? So basically, usually project managers apply a project management methodology to their work. So here the key term that I have just spoken about is methodology. So a methodology is basically a system of practices, techniques, procedures, and rules used by those who work in a certain discipline. This methodology normally creates good knowledge that eventually leads toward good practice. But good practice does not mean that the knowledge described should always be applied uniformly to a to any project. It means there are two different domains, namely for example, informational technology, and then there is a textile industry. So you can't apply the quality processes of IT company within textile industry. So here you should know that project management methodologies may be developed by experts within the organization, or they can be purchased from vendors, obtained from professional associations, or acquired from government agencies. So here I must say that the appropriate project management processes, inputs, tools, techniques, output, and life cycle phases should be selected to manage a project. This selection activity is known as tailoring project management to the project. But project managers should collaborate with the team, project team, sponsor, organizational management, or some sort of combination thereof in the tailoring. In some cases, the organization may require specific project management methodologies to be used. So, why tailoring is so necessary? Tailoring is necessary because every project is actually unique in nature. Not every process, tool, technique, input, or output identified through various project management processes is actually required for every project. Some are, but some are required. Tailoring should address the complete constraints of schedule, scope, cost, resources, quality, and risk. The importance of each constraint is different for each project, and project manager tailors the approach for managing these constraints based on the project environment, organizational culture, stakeholder needs, and other variables. So, in tailoring project management, the project manager should also consider the varying levels of governance that that are required to be tailored, and within which the project will operate, as well as considering the culture of the organization. In addition to the consideration of whether the customer of the project is internal or external, to the organization may affect project management tailoring discussion decision. So, sound project management methodologies take into account the unique nature of projects and allow tailoring to some extent by the Project manager. However, the tailoring that is included in the methodology may still require additional tailoring for any given project. So, I hope so that you have understood the tailoring of the tailoring need of the project management processes. Now, coming towards our star question. So, the question is, a project manager comes from IT-based firm and has joined the IT section of a textile department in order to lead the projects of IT section. There are many quality processes that he need to care about. What should he do? First option is implement Scrum. Second option is tailor the processes as per need. Number third option is talk to the CEO. Fourth option is implement processes of previous company. Please do answer the question in comment section of this video.